Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at meta and style tags of HTML5. Meta tag defines metadata information about the HTML5 document. If meta tag is present in HTML file, say the HTML file is example.html, then it defines the metadata information about that document in which it present. Web browser won't display these metadata information when it is rendering it. Browser uses metadata to know how to display the document content. And search engine also uses this metadata information to know about the content of the document as well as the keyword list of that document. The style tag defines style of different tags used in the HTML document. For example, displaying HTML body with a blue color can be done by the style tag. So inside this tag, we will define the color for the body of the document. So likewise, we can define style for any tag. So if it is a paragraph tag or a H1 or H2 tag, so for all those tags, we can define the style. There is also a style sheet, a dedicated file. It can be called as a CSS style sheet. There we can define style for the tags, and the entire website can use this style sheet so that you can see a uniformity in your entire website. So if there is a heading, the heading will be displayed in a same style using the style defined in this CSS style sheet. So whatever is the page, all the pages will display same kind of style for the H1 tag. So likewise for all the tag, we can define the styles in the CSS style sheet. So we will learn about CSS style sheet later. So the browser parses these style information and applies it while rendering the document. So it's browser's duty to parse the information given in the CSS style sheet and act accordingly. So whether it is a Internet Explorer or Chrome or so whatever is the browser, so it should read the style sheet information and render the elements accordingly. So here is an example for meta tag and style tag. If you look at line 4 to 6, here we defined a style tag. So we defined the type here as CSS, which means cascading style sheet format. Then here we are defining style for the body tag. So that's why we first placed body. Then within curly braces, the style what we define is color as blue violet. So if you look at the body tag, there is a text. This is the body text. So when HTML renders this HTML document, it passes this style information and it knows that when there is a inside the body tag, whatever text appears, that needs to be rendered in blue violet color. The meta tag at line 7 states that a document is about HTML5 learning. So when search engines like Google or Bing knows about this document, it looks at the meta tag and it knows that the content is about HTML5 learning. So in the meta tag, the name what we gave is HTML5. And in the contents attribute we specified that HTML5 learning. So when search engine reads this, it knows that the entire document is about HTML learning. So here is the example code. So whatever you saw in the slide, the same is kept here as a file, and we will display this in Internet Explorer. And if you see, it displays only the body content. You can actually view source by right clicking and picking the view source option. And in the view source, if you see, the meta information is not displayed, HTML5 lining. So this is for the browser and the search engines. It's not part of the content of the document. So the content goes here inside the body tag. Here we defined color as blue violet for the body tag, and body contains, this is the body text, and if you see, this is the body text is displayed in that color, right? So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.